Okay guys, for this video we are going to use 12-volt relay module and Arduino Nano. You can use either Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno or Arduino Maker. So I'm going to use here Arduino Nano. So Arduino Nano, the operation voltage is 5 volt, and we are going to use 12-volt DC relay module. If you look at the closest to this relay board, you see 12-volt DC. So this relay module, we need to supply 12 volt to make it work for this relay module. But our Arduino is the operation produced only for the 5 volt, so which is not enough to operate the voltage of the coil for this relay module. So we need to have 12 volt power supply, extra 12 volt power supply. To make it work for this 12 volt relay module with Arduino, you need to have NPN transistor, which is BC547 or BC548 on any NPN transistor. So let's get started. So right here I'm going to use breadboard to make it easy for me to plug to Arduino Nano. So from Arduino Nano I'm going to connect. Here is VCC, the VCC red wire I connect to. Here I have, this is my 12 volt power supply source. So this is 12 volt power supply. I use the connector. So Arduino relay module I connect to 12 volt, positive 12 volt right here, and the negative wire I use jumper wire, male to female here. So you can cut off your jumper wire and you tie together. So by right I already cut off this jumper wire and I twist and tie together here. I twist, and this negative wire you connect to the negative of this 12 volt power supply, and so this negative will goes to the ground of relay module, and this one negative will goes to the ground of Arduino Nano. And so the last pin here is the in. So the in, that means this is the output, the signal output from relay. So this in, the signal from Arduino will come into this relay. So we're going to use, if you're using directly from here, okay, let us use digital pin number 5 and you connect to in. Okay, finish. Let's upload the code. So the wiring finished. And before uploading the code, let me connect my solenoid. This is 12 volt solenoid. I haven't turned on this 12 volt power supply. So solenoid, the negative wire, the solenoid will comes to the negative of this 12 volt power supply. can connect from behind here, so this is more easy for me. So this positive wire, the cable is too small. Let me change the cable right here. So this 12 volt. 12 volt coming to no common pin of the relay here. And this is the output. If I do it like this, you can see more clear. And this one connect to normally open. Okay, nice. I put tape over here so that we can see more clear. Okay, now it's time to upload the code. Here's the code. So the pin mode, we're going to use digital pin number 5 as output, and the while loop, this for the function. Digital right, we turn on high. We turn the relay on for 5 seconds. Pin number 5, low. So we turn off low, which means power off, relay off. Turn off the relay for 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, turn off. Then we repeat again over and over again in this code. So 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. So this is the code, and then you select to the tools. There we go. If you use the Arduino Uno, then you select the Arduino Uno. I'm using the Arduino Nano, so I select Arduino Nano, and okay, board. So in this step, you need to select all version and the port. Of course, you want to forget. Select the port, and now you upload the code. Uploading the code. Okay, done upload. So the code is already done. Let me close the computer. So after you upload the code, now it's time to turn on the 12 volt power supply right here. Negative wire 12 volt connect to negative of solenoid, and positive wire connect to common pins of relay, and a positive out from normally opens and connect to a positive of solenoid. So the wiring is complete. Okay, so now the moment I turn off this 12 volt power supply, the relay is turned on. So since the relay is turned on, the solenoid is turned off. So our code doesn't make sense. If you remove the digital pin number 5, the relay is off. The moment you put here, so this Arduino cannot control the relay. So what we're going to do, so in this case we need to have NPN transistor. So NPN transistor, any NPN transistor you do. So this one I will use BC547. You can use BC547, BC548 on any transistor, NPN transistor. So you place NPN transistor, and this digital pin number 5 we remove first. Digital pin number 5 connect to base pin of transistor right here. Digital pin number 5 connect to base pin of transistor, and this from the relay in connect to emitter pin. This jumper is not really nice. I'm going to use back the short one. Digital pin number 5. Digital pin number 5 connect to base. So now, okay. So our code is 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. So for 12-volt relay module, we cannot directly use from Arduino to control the relay. So we must have BC547, which is NPN transistor. It doesn't mean you must use BC547 or 548. As long as your transistor is NPN transistor, then you will control the relay. So this is how to use 12-volt DC relay module with Arduino. But the good thing is, if you have a 5-volt relay module, you don't need to use transistor, NPN transistor. You don't need to use. You can directly control this 5-volt relay from Arduino. But if you don't have 5-volt, if you have only 12-volt relay module, you must have transistor, which is NPN transistor. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will like this video. Please help me to like and share my video. Thank you.